Good morning, children. I hope so you are doing well. Children, today we are going to do English class. So open your English reader. So children, I'm skipping Unit 5, Kitturani Channamma. It's not needed. And a poem, The Native Land. So we'll go directly to the Unit 6, Puppies for Sale. So children, here we will see a story of a farmer in this lesson. Puppies for sale. So see here children, this is Krishnappa and he has got some puppies. He is a farmer. So farmer means children who does work in the field like you grows rice, wheat, ragi and all. Those are called farmers. So here we will read the lesson, children. Read after me, children, the lesson. Krishnappa was a farmer. He had some puppies. So puppies mean, children, young ones of the dogs. Okay, children. He wanted to sell them. One morning, he found a little boy standing at his door. So children, here Krishnappa had some puppies and he wanted to sell them. One morning, one boy came and stood front of his door. The boy asked him, "Uncle, I want to buy one of your puppies." The boy wanted to buy the one puppy from Krishnappa. Krishnappa said, "These puppies cost you a lot of money." The boy felt sad. So children, Krishnappa replied him that puppies cost very more. So money, a lot of money. The boy felt very sad. He took out some coins from his pocket and said, "Will that be enough?" So he had some money in his pocket and he said that this will be enough for Krishnappa. Krishnappa smiled and called his dog out. So Krishnappa smiled and called this dog out. A dog came running, followed by 4 beautiful puppies. So children, the dog came running and it had 4 puppies. The boy's eyes gleamed with happiness. Gleamed means, children, shine. The boy's eyes shined with happiness. He was very happy. Why, children? With seeing the puppies. But wait, there was another little puppy limping awkwardly. So children, here limping means walk with difficulty. Awkwardly means clumsy. It was very difficult to walk for that one puppy. He was trying hard to join others. So children, that one puppy was very back and it was trying to join the other puppies. The boy pointed to the last one, said, "I will buy that one." So children, the boy wanted to buy that weak puppy. The one puppy was weak and it could not walk properly. So that boy wanted to buy that one puppy. Krishnappa was surprised. He said, "Son, that pup will never be able to run or play with you." So Krishnappa was shocked or surprised that the boy said that he wanted to take that weak puppy. So the Krishnappa said to the boy that it won't be able to run and play with that boy. The boy stepped back and slowly rolled up his pant. So children, the boy stepped back. He went back and slowly he rolled up his pant. He had a steel brass. Brass means, children, clamp on his leg. So children, that boy had one leg he did not had a leg. A specially made shoe was attached at the end of the brass. He looked at Krishnappa and said, "You see, uncle, I don't run too well myself, and he will need someone who understands." So, children, here the boy was also handicapped. He didn't had a leg. So, he said to the Krishnappa that he also did not run well, and the puppy also needed someone who understands him. So, next, children, Krishnappa had tears in his eyes. He reached down and picked up the little puppy. So, children, here Krishnappa eyes were filled with tears. He took that puppy in his hand. He handed it to the boy. "How much?" asked the boy. "No charge," answered Krishnappa. "Love cost nothing." So, children, here Krishnappa gave the puppy to that little boy without taking any money. And Krishnappa said that love does not need any money. So, love is worthless. So, it is not money worth. So, children, the boy did not had a leg. So, he could understand the puppy's situation, and he saw that puppy and he wanted that puppy only. So, children, Krishnappa gave that puppy for that boy without any cost, without taking any money with him. So, children, here there are some special people. We have to respect them. We should not tease them, or we should not irritate them. They are special persons. So, children, I hope so you have understood the lesson. It is a small lesson, a small story of a farmer. So, children, write the notes in your notebook neatly. Learn it, children. And if you have any doubts, ask me, children. I hope so you have understood the lesson. Take care, children. Bye, children.